Sir Migs, di ba online yung accounting system nyo? Hala, baka ma-hack kami dyan. Ang sagot ko, yes and no. Yes, kung nasa online ang accounting transactions mo, may tendency ka talaga na ma-hack. Pero no different kung nasa desktop yan. May makapasok lang sa network nyo, kahit laman ng desktop mo, pwede nilang makuha. And no, hindi yan mahahack ng basta-basta kasi ang trabaho ng mga software companies na to is bantayan ng maigi yung data ng daang libong clients nila around the globe 24/7. Maliit man o malaki yung business, you get the same level of data security kumpara kung nasa computer mo lang yung data. Ikaw yung may responsibilidad to protect your own assets from both cyber and physical attacks. However, yes, no matter how secured your data is sa mga systems na to, kailangan mong maging conscious when it comes to cybersecurity. At ang pinaka-basic na dapat mong bantayan, passwords. Huwag kang mag-demand ng protection sa data mo kung yung password mo, birthday mo, yung salitang password mismo o 123456. Katamaran yan eh. And yes, milyong-milyong accounts ang may ganyang kahinang password kaya ang daling mahack. So yes, cybersecurity is part of digital transformation and kasama yan sa mga tinuturo namin sa mga clients namin. Kailangan eh, we need to protect our financial data at all costs kasi ginagamit yan for decision making. This is the power of accounting automation and if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.